Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Indah, just call me Indah, and I'm from class 8, 2020. Well, today in this night, I will present my proposal, and the title is Improving Speaking Skill by Using Role Play Method. Well, now I will present my proposal in the chapter 2. Okay, previous relate study. In my proposal, there are three relate study. The first is the use of role play to improve student speaking skill by Del Octavia Ayunintias, ulang dari and Yana 2019. The second is peningkatan keterampilan berbicara siswa melalui model role playing berbantuan media visual di sekolah dasar by Livia Istiqomah Murtono Vina Fakria 2020. And the last is effectiveness of role play in improving speaking skill by Binod Neupan 2019. Well, theoretical framework. Speaking. The definition of speaking. Speaking is the ability to express something orally as previously taught by Byrne. It can be interpreted that speaking is like a complex because at least it is related to the component of pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and friendship. There is some evidence from Noonan concluding that speaking is an act that comes naturally to the people in their life. Sometimes they share their problem with someone they trust. They have the freedom to say what they want to say. The second, the importance of speaking. Speaking is the most important skill in learning and forage or second language. Of the four main language skills, speaking is considered the most important skill for acquiring a forage or second language. Brown and UK, 2983. So that speaking is the skill most valued by students in the real life throughout 2009. The third is aspect of speaking. There are four aspects of speaking: vocabulary, grammar, designation, and fluency. B. Role play. The definition of role play. Role play can be defined and implemented in a number of ways. The common denominator is the participant assume different role in which behaviors and events serves as a starting point for making visible and learning from what is happening in various situations. An example of a common definition of role play is as a learning activity in which participants act out a series of behaviors or a defined role position with a view to gaining the desired experience. Second, benefit of role play. The role play method is a learning strategy that motivates and engages students in the learning process, improving teaching strategies so students don't get bored in class. Provide real world scenario to help students learn skill used in real world situation, negotiation, debate, teamwork, cooperation, persuasion. 3. History of role play. Dr. G.L. Moreno devised the first role playing technique in 1910. However, it was not recognized or widely used until moving to Vienna, Australia, to the United States in the 1930. Role-playing is a technique used in the learning process to provide participation and involvement in the learning process. Conceptual framework. Teaching speaking. In the conceptual framework, the first is teaching speaking. After that, we can teach aspect of speaking. And the third is we use the role play method. When we use the role play method, we can look at the improvement student speaking, and we can look student perception. The last is hypothesis. Age null, there is an influence on student speaking skill after using the role play learning method. Each alternative, there is an effect of increasing speaking skill on the use of the role play method in student learning.